Direct replacement. This tailgate handle matches the fit and function of the original handle on specific vehicles. Durable construction. This part is made of quality materials for a long service life. Saves money. This tailgate handle delivers original equipment quality at a competitive price. Quality assured. This tailgate handle has undergone testing to assure proper fit and durability over a long service life. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This tailgate handle matches the fit and function of the original handle in specific vehicles. Constructed of durable materials, this handle is manufactured to quality standards to ensure reliability over the long haul. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Great part for the money. Super easy to install. Only tools needed were a Torx tip and a deep socket 10 mm. Took only 10 maybe 15 minutes total to install. Lube the moving parts inside the tailgate and off you go. Great part for the money. Only bitch is it's new pretty black and the rest of my truck is greyed out from the sun. Tailgate works like new, very happy.